Welcome to our English lesson. Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions. Listen carefully.
The simple pleasures of a quiet morning. Every morning, I wake up feeling grateful for the peaceful start to my day. The soft light of the sunrise slowly fills my room, and I enjoy these quiet moments before the world wakes up. I usually get up around 6:30 a.m. when the air is cool and calm. For me, these simple pleasures are essential because they allow me to relax and prepare for the day ahead. After waking up, I open my window to let in the fresh air. The birds begin to sing, and their cheerful songs make me smile. I sit for a few minutes on the edge of my bed, taking deep breaths and enjoying the serene atmosphere. This time of solitude helps me to reflect and set a positive tone for the day. I feel that the early morning is a special moment when life is slow and gentle. Then, I go to my small kitchen to make a cup of coffee. The rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the room, and it is one of my favorite parts of the morning. I also prepare a light breakfast, usually a bowl of oatmeal with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey. I sit at my kitchen table near the window so I can watch the sunrise and see the trees sway softly in the breeze. While I eat, I sometimes read a book or listen to soft music. I enjoy stories that transport me to new places and ideas that make me think. Reading in the quiet of the morning is a simple pleasure that allows me to learn something new each day. I also like to write in my journal, recording my thoughts, ideas, and moments of gratitude. This habit helps clear my mind and inspires me to appreciate the little joys of life. After breakfast, I often take a short walk outside. I love the feeling of the cool, fresh air on my skin and the beautiful view of my small garden. The garden is filled with blooming flowers and lush green plants, which add color and life to my morning. This gentle exercise not only wakes up my body, but also nourishes my spirit. As the day begins, I carry the calm and warmth of my quiet morning with me. I feel confident and ready to face any challenge because I have started my day in a peaceful way. I believe that these moments of calm are a true gift. They remind me that even in a busy world, there is beauty in simplicity. The simple pleasures of a quiet morning help me stay balanced, focused, and happy throughout the day. Every morning, I am reminded that life does not always have to be hectic. Instead, it can be filled with small, meaningful moments that bring joy and serenity to my heart.
Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Before we practice our speaking skills, let's learn interesting English words from the story we've just covered to improve your English.
Grateful means feeling or showing thanks and appreciation. Example: every morning, I feel grateful for the calm and quiet that starts my day. Solitude means the state of being alone, often in a peaceful and positive way. Example: I enjoy the solitude of early mornings, which gives me time to think and relax. Reflect means to think deeply or carefully about something. Example: before I go to bed, I take a few minutes to reflect on the simple joys of my day. Aroma means a pleasant, distinctive smell. Example: the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the kitchen, making the morning even more enjoyable. Drizzle means to pour a small, light stream of liquid, used here as a noun to describe a thin, gentle flow. Example, I like to add a drizzle of honey to my oatmeal for a touch of natural sweetness. Journal means a personal diary where one records thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Example, every morning I write in my journal to capture my thoughts and set a positive tone for the day. Nourish means to provide with the food or substances needed for growth, health, or good condition. Example, I prepare a healthy breakfast to nourish my body and keep my energy levels high. Cozy means comfortable, warm, and inviting. Example, I love sitting in my cozy armchair with a soft blanket, especially on a quiet morning. Serenity means a state of calm, peace, and untroubled quiet. Example, the gentle light of dawn and the sound of birds create an atmosphere of serenity in my home. Balance means a state where different elements are in the correct proportions, leading to harmony. Example, I try to maintain a balance between work and relaxation to ensure each day is fulfilling and stress-free.
Great job on finishing today's English lesson. Keep practicing because every bit of effort counts towards becoming fluent in English. Thanks for joining us today. Please remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.